Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
How cleaning services can automate payment reminders in QuickBooks. If you run a cleaning service, you know how frustrating it can be to chase down clients for payments, especially when you have recurring jobs every week or every month. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to set up automatic payment reminders in QuickBooks Online so you never have to manually follow up again. For cleaning service providers with multiple recurring clients, staying on top of invoices can eat up a ton of time. Late payments can pile up, and it feels like you're constantly sending reminders. QuickBooks makes this effortless. Once you set it up, your clients automatically get friendly payment reminders at the right time, before the due date, on the due date, or even after if they're late. That means less chasing, more cash flow, and more time for your team to focus on actual cleaning jobs. Step-by-step setup. Step 1. Log in to QuickBooks Online. Head over to your QuickBooks Online dashboard and make sure you're signed in as the admin. Step 2. Go to the Invoicing section. Click on Sales right pointing arrow Invoices from the left-hand menu. Step 3. Create or edit an invoice reminder schedule. Select an existing invoice template or create a new one. Look for the option, Reminders. Step 4. Customize your reminder messages. QuickBooks allows you to set timing, before due date, on the due date, or after due date. Personalize messages. Example: Hi, customer name, just a reminder that your cleaning service invoice is due on due date. You can pay securely online through QuickBooks. Step 5. Automate for recurring clients. For clients who get billed weekly or monthly, create a recurring invoice template with reminders enabled. QuickBooks will handle the rest automatically. Demo example: let's say you run Sparkle Pro Cleaning, and you service 20 offices every week. Instead of manually tracking who paid and who hasn't, QuickBooks automatically emails reminders to anyone who hasn't cleared their invoice, without you lifting a finger. This keeps your cash flow healthy and reduces awkward conversations with clients about late payments. So there you have it. Automatic payment reminders in QuickBooks Online are a game changer for cleaning businesses with recurring clients. Want to try it out for your cleaning service? Get started with QuickBooks Online using the link in the description.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.